The defection by Congress MDC Butts Kem Rintathiang to the ruling NPP in the KHEDC has left the Grand Old Party with not much to say, as conveyed by Congress Parliamentary Party CPP leader Pinchngan Lang's NSM. What now also haunts the Congress is the possibility of more desertions to the NPP, as speculation is rife that another party, MDC Karnas Soshang, who is also an executive member of the council, is planning to join the NPP. On Rintathiang's exit, AM said that he has nothing to comment on the decision of the MDC to associate himself with the NPP.
Pan clarification tende kaji siya kadiga kamu kaji ban tho siya ka so president dong MBC ya ka inokam kumu dukot dong ka parti ng tahun sejauh bat ka NPP tende ngam kip yolese kata ulale aru ula ban tho so president.
The Meghalaya state football team under 18 boys